Yo, what up, guys? So as we have learned our 6 steps, our 3 steps, CCs, and our foundational footwork steps, we are going to move into a little bit more intermediate moves. And today we are talking about the swipes. So we have 2 swipes that we are going to be learning today, starting with double leg swipe, and then we'll move into one leg swipe, aka master swipes. So let's get right into it. So for our swipes, we are going to start here at, some people call it a tabletop, right? So we're going to start with our legs flat down on the ground with our hands here. We're going to lift up the hips, make sure this is all the way up. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring one hand up and we're going to create, going at 45 angle here. My hand is going to replace my leg. And as I do this, I'm going to jump and land back into the same position I started in. Now, I switch hands and go back again, jump to come back into this position. Really important to not let the hips drop. Make sure you keep your hips up. Switch hands, go around. Again, switch hands, go around. So one of the main things you want to practice here is really switching your hands as fast as you can while keeping your body up. Switch, switch, switch. So as you do that, you're going to switch, jump, twist, switch, jump. Now, that is the double leg. We go into master swipes. Master swipes is, once again, one leg. So, you're going to start off with your foot firmly on the ground, one leg up. So, it's really important for you to practice this positioning here, because what you're going to do is you're going to switch hands. You're going to jump, kick this leg up in the air, and you're going to twist over, kick, jump, to land back into this position. Twist, twist, twist. Now, it's important to note, to be able to do really good master swipes, you want to start with a lot of momentum, okay? So I'm going to show you how I do my master swipes, starting from up top with a lot of momentum. And that is master swipes, and that concludes this swipe tutorial. Peace, y'all. Practice.